Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable ANC on your PHILIPS Fidelio L4. Let's get started with open the application, and right here we have ambient control, so firstly we should enable it. And also remember this button right here. This is for to swap between these noise control modes. So it's located near to the microphone button. So I put it on my head, and right now we have awareness mode, and if I press one time on this button what I showed to you, I will swap to ANC. And here we go. That's it. As you can see, this is ANC. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.